Hello. This lay summary is based on the article Sustainable Higher Education Management Career Drivers of Academic Staff, written by Evgenia Dekhtere and Kristina Uzhele, and published in the Journal of Teacher Education for Sustainability in 2023. So, why does this study matter? Sustainable development is a type of evolution that strives to satisfy a diverse range of needs of more than one generation, often driven by innovation. To ensure its implementation, the United Nations Development Programs designed a framework of Sustainable Development Goals, which include Sustainable Development Goal 4, Quality Education, and Sustainable Development Goal 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth. Consistent with this vision, employees' well-being and performance are interconnected, which is why the neglect of the needs of academic staff negatively impacts the study process and thus student achievements. Professional enthusiasm is a driver of teaching quality, and it depends on the satisfaction of various criteria, such as professional goals, internal perceptions and attitudes, values and evaluation of the profession, job security, remuneration policies, work environment, and related well-being. To sustain professional enthusiasm, academic staff should be content with the level of satisfaction of these criteria. Therefore, managers of higher education institutions should achieve the quality of education and its priority to promote SDG 4 and SDG 8. So what do we want to find out? We wanted to find out how to improve the quality of higher education by identifying career values as an important step in shaping the professional identity of academic staff. The research aim was to identify the dominant career drivers based on Edgar Schein's career values, or career anchors of academic staff. We also wanted to see whether university managers understand and support these career drivers. By doing so, universities can foster an environment that encourages teacher engagement and professional growth. We surveyed two groups, 261 university teachers from Ukraine to understand that motivates them, and 14 university managers from Ukraine, Latvia, and Lithuania to see how they prioritize teacher motivations. We also use Schein Career Anchor model, which identifies key career motivations. The study compared then teachers' use with managers' expectations. What is Edgar Schein's Career Anchor model about? Edgar Schein developed a theory of career anchors that explains career development paths and yields predictions regarding future career moves. There are 8 career anchors, such as workers' technical and functional capabilities or level of professional expertise, workers' general managerial skills, autonomy and independence at the workplace, security and stability at the workplace, entrepreneurial creativity, service, dedication to cause, pure challenge when workers wish to work in a challenging environment, and lifestyle, or workers' aspiration to balance work with professional life. So what are the key findings? What motivates teachers? First, this is professional expertise. It is important for academic staff to be skilled in their field and to have an opportunity to continuously improve their knowledge. Next is job security. Educators do care about having stable income and long-term contracts. And then, this is also commitment to education. They are dedicated to teaching and making an impact on students. What are the key findings of university managers' use? The opinions of higher education managers are largely aligned with those of academic staff. Managers also selected professional expertise and commitment to education as a top priority. But while academic staff ranked financial stability as the second most critical career anchor, higher education managers mostly ignored it. Instead, they placed more emphasis on independence and creativity. Why do these findings matter? Because teachers and university management perceive importance of career values differently. And to create a productive academic environment, universities should recognize the importance of job security for teachers, elaborate measures to support continuous professional development and career growth. In order to encourage entrepreneurial thinking, provide academic staff with necessary resources and incentives. To achieve enhancement of collaboration between academic staff and higher education managers, the internal communication is to be improved as well. And there are several recommendations for university, such as to implement key career drivers into Hays business models and quality assurance policies in order to attain SDG 4 and SDG 8. To include the level of professional expertise and work performance in the remuneration policies and staff training programs financed by universities. Training programs should include the development of professional competencies, entrepreneurial creativity, and proactive independent approaches to career management. Employment policies should instill a sense of confidence in the future and workplace stability among academic staff. So why does this study matter for the future of higher education? The foundation of university education is formed by academic staff, and its motivation directly affects the study process. Higher education institutions that understand and support their academic staff provides more qualitative education, improve institutional performance, and contribute to sustainable development goals. Universities should bridge the gap between academic staff needs and managerial decisions, thus creating a thriving academic environment where both educators and students can equally benefit. This is it. Thank you for your attention.